Talk about some of the grass brushes and masks that I sell. So I have my Surrender presets and masks, and then I have the Be the Light brushes and masks. They're sold separately from the Be the Light presets, but the Surrenders are in a bundle. So let's just apply a preset. Let's reset and let's do the Amerikai. So this is what the grass looks like in this one. I'm now going to select the background. And what I'm going to apply to that is the Cali grasses from the Be the Light brush set. So this makes the grass like totally void of a lot of color. So you can slowly add back in just a little bit of saturation, but this one is pretty strong. I'm going to take out a little bit of the magenta, and then you can see that it is going to take away a lot of the saturation, right? So another one that I have is the Midwest Grass Fix. So I'm going to apply that one, and it just takes away all of the brightness and the over luminance that sometimes the grass can have, and it gets rid of that yellowy tone. It makes the grass this really true green tone. So both of those options are inside of the Be the Light brush set. Both are very different, and on some images one might work better than the other, and they may require a little bit of tweaking, but that kind of gives you a general idea of what they can do. Here in the Surrender masks, I have a couple of different ones. There is Grass Fix Less Saturation, which looks like this. Again, you can go in and you can work on the strength of it. I would go about there, and it looks really nice. But I also have the little background adjustments. Let me find them here. Background Botox, which is going to smooth everything up and give it a little bit of a different shade. Let me click back on my preset. I accidentally clicked off. So background Botox is going to take it from like that to that, and background Dazzle and Pop, it's going to make it more saturated. This is that Grass Fix Less Saturation, and then Painterly background, of course, is going to make it like really pop, like super bright Painterly colors with a little bit of green added in. So those are the different masks and things that affect the grass. Let me find a different photo to show it with a little bit more greenery around the subject. Okay, so here we have another image with some green grass going on. This is obviously fall grass. It's fall right now, so I don't have a lot of like really neon green grass images in my Lightroom, but this is what it looks like with the background Botox. It does enrich the grass a little bit. The background Dazzle and Pop. The less saturated grass, so you can really see how subtle it is, but what a big difference it makes with an image like this. And then Painterly. And then if we select our background, here I'll show you on the Be the Light brushes, we have Cali grasses. I'm going to take a little bit of that magenta out. Really pay attention to the green because I'm just applying it to the whole background, and so it's really going to change the color here, but that is what it does to the green grass. And we also have the Midwest Grass Fix, which is again just making it a little bit less of a highlight, over luminance on the green grass. Sometimes it can be really, really bright. That's what that's going to fix. You can work on the strength of it here, really easy to adjust. And another one that I really like to do is I'll make it add depth, which takes it from like before to after, even though it doesn't specify that it's for green grass. It really makes a big difference as well and can be a little bit more subtle than the other two options. So those are some of the masks and brushes that I offer that can really be a game changer for editing that pesky neon Midwest grass.